Hey, what's happening? What's going on, everybody? Today we are going to be looking at the futures markets, the ES, which is the S&P 500. I traded that today for $1,000. And so I'm just going to talk through that trade and see just kind of what I was thinking and why we kind of fell all the way down, things like that. So first off, let me just go ahead and get this to look right. So on the overnight session, we bled down a little bit and then we pumped really hard the rest of the night. So typically on like a move like this, you're gonna have a correction to the downside. So this was almost a $200 pump. It was a $200 pump on the ES, which is just nuts. So I was expecting a correction of these overnight moves. I was expecting a correction down. So when we opened up at 2630-ish range, let me just go ahead and get in here. I immediately started filling my shorts. Just switch to like a 1 minute so we can see a little better. Because this all happened, my whole trade happened within 10 minutes today. It's very quick. So here you can see 830 to 840 was my entire trade for $1,000 using the micros. This is the swing account for Topstep. It's that link down below if you're interested in it. But yeah, so I saw us immediately start to push higher. We were about 6.5% on the day. I didn't think we were going to get to 7%, so I started shorting, shorted all the way up, and then decided to ride it down, right? So a pretty fast move. I was anticipating a little bit of a stall here at the limit up price from last night. I put my take profit just a little bit below that, thinking that we might like hit that, fake down, and bounce back up. Hindsight bias, obviously I should have let one ride because we ended up falling another like 40 points on the ES. But let me just go ahead and show why we bounced at this level we did. So this is the overnight volume area high. And so this is an area of support when it's coming back into it. If it breaks out, you typically have a nice strong breakout from the value area high. And as you can see, I mean, it ripped 100 points from the breakout here. But basically, this should have been a very safe, strong target. I played the even safer route of the limit up price. Now we're kind of stalling, trying to bounce off of that. You can see here, we're just sitting right around the point of control for the day. So that's my trade in a nutshell. It was very quick, 10 minutes, like I said, $1,000 in 10 minutes, $1,011. And yeah, nothing to complain about. Basically gapped up on the overnight. So the key takeaways: overnight ripped up, we gapped up even higher, immediate short to fill the gap, as well as to correct the overnight highs. So that's the quick breakdown of the day with a couple of really good pieces of information that I use a lot. Every morning I'm looking for the correction of the overnight move. A little bit of nugget there. So if you find this helpful, go ahead and smash that like, subscribe, comment down below, all that stuff. If you're interested in Topstep Trader, it's the links down below. Great company. And I hope you have a great rest of the day. I will see you later. Peace.